Hey guys, are you using the camera app directly to scan the QR code? If you guys are using the camera app directly to scan the QR code, then you guys have to manually touch on the wikipedia.org link to open the link in browser. Or we have to manually touch on the QR code option here. Once we touch on here, we will be having options like share, copy link, add to reading list and open in Safari. When we touch on the option open in Safari, the link will open in the Safari browser. This process is quite tedious. We can scan the QR code in much more faster way. Here is the trick. Go to settings in your phone and then to control center. Here we have so many options to add it in the control center. Here I have added code scanner option. Once we add it here, once go to the control center, here we will be having option to scan the QR code. Instead of using the camera app directly, use the code scanner app over here. Directly scan the link, and here we don't need to manually touch on the link to open it in the browser. By default, this link will open in the browser, and this browser will act as incognito mode. Means if you guys close by mistake or switch the app, okay, you guys cannot come back to the same state. That information is lost. In that case, if you guys have to retain the state or retain the information, scan the QR code. By default, it will open in the browser. Once it open in the browser, here in the right bottom corner of the app, we have Safari option. Click on the Safari option. It will open the link in the browser. Here we can retain the information. This is it about scanning the QR code. Thank you for watching.